Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to find remote jobs on Appen. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to open up my computer browser and I'm going to go to appen.com. So as you can see, once you're in appen.com, all you have to do is to click on join our crowd right here to get started. So once I click on that, it will lead me to this page right here. So this is the page once I click on join our crowd. So as you can see, work that can be done from anywhere in the world. So it doesn't matter where you live. If you live in the US, in Africa, in Asia, or in some parts of Europe, you can actually work for Appen. And now once I scroll down right here, as you can see, work for Appen, as they are looking for people from all over the world to participate in some of our many exciting work from home opportunities. So these opportunities range from simple surveys that can be completed in less than an hour to ongoing projects that last for months or longer. So leverage your social media interest, mobile device savviness, your college degree in linguistics, online research skills, or passion for images, video, or audio. With so many diverse projects, chances are we've got something for you. So if you have a college degree in linguistics, or if you have some online researching skills, or if you have a passion for video, images, audio editing, so I think Appen is good for you. So as you can see right here, there are three types you can actually do this. So work at Appen is, of course, qualify for an exciting part-time employment that provides, number one, secured regular part-time income, number two, performance bonus, number three, flexible schedules, and number four is employee benefits. So mind you, this is only for US residents only. So if you live outside the US, then casual work is good for you. So casual work is become an independent contractor and choose from a variety of short to long-term projects. So this is where we will be doing most of the time, because currently I live in the Philippines, so basically it's outside of US. So if I live in the Philippines, or if you live outside of US, become an independent contractor is good for you, and you can choose from a variety of short to long-term projects. So first, I'm gonna explain to you how this Appen works. So as you can see, why choose Appen? So you enjoy competitive pay and benefit from having no set of work hours or schedules. So you can work Appen, or you can work for Appen with without schedule. Like if this is unlike your 9-to-5 job. If you have a 9-to-5 job, it doesn't work that way. Appen provides having a no set work or schedule, so you can work at any pace at any time that you want, as long as you complete the task with a deadline. So next is types of jobs. So these are the types of jobs that Appen actually offers. So you can have a search media evaluation, you are a social media evaluator, a translation services, transcription. You can also have survey and data collection, some linguistic specialists, some lexicon annotation, speech evaluation, image annotation, video annotation, and of course, sensor data annotation like LiDAR, radar, etc. So if you feel like you can do any of this, so I think Appen is good for you. So once I scroll down, what you need to be successful. So successful Appen contributors are smart, curious, and enjoy online research. So many projects may require you to pass a qualification exam to make sure you understand the requirements. So if you are motivated, self-driven, organized individual, you should do well. So the only thing you need to do to be successful in Appen is for you to work hard. This is basically it. And if you are curious, if you are smart, if you enjoy online research, so basically Appen is a good place to start if you want to have a work from home service. So these are the general requirements. So you should be at least 18 years of age, and you should have excellent web research skills and analytical abilities. And next is you should have excellent comprehension and written communication skills. And next is you should have high-speed internet access. So this is very important because some clients will actually require you to download something or send you some clients will require you to send them something. So a high internet access is a must if you want to work for Appen. And next is a personal computer running Google's free Chrome web browser, version 45 or newer, or for some assignments specific mobile devices like smartphones and tablets, etc. So all you need to have for you to start on Appen is to have a personal computer that is top notch. So you can also have smartphones, tablets, and etc. as long as they work perfectly. So lastly is the up-to-date antivirus and anti-spyware software. So why does Appen needs antivirus and anti-spyware software? Because basically the internet now is loaded with virus, and Appen does promote safety in all of their clients and all of their workers, etc., etc. So you need to have an antivirus and anti-spyware software. If you don't have an antivirus yet, you can actually pay, or you can actually download something from the internet, or you can actually have a plan. So you can actually have some sorts of antivirus you can pay on the internet. So that's basically it for the how it works portion. So for now, I'm going to show you how you can actually get started. So I'm just going to click on apply right here. And as you can see, just enter your email address that you actually want. So for now, I'm just going to select this email address right here. And next, enter your desired password that you want to use. Of course, enter your first name and your last name, and of course enter the country of your residence. So I'm just going to click on agree right here to the Appen's terms and services and privacy policy. So if you want to read on that real quick, just click on that. So next is I'm going to click on that I certify that I am able to provide legal country specific tax documents. So I'm just going to go to create account right here. So as you can see, once you have done that, a verification code has sent to the email that you actually used in signing up. So I'm just going to go to the email that I have actually used in signing up. So I'm just going to go to this email because this is the email that I recently used in signing up for Appen. So as you can see, this is the email verification. So I'm just going to enter the code right here. So the code is this one. I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to verify my email. So next is it will say account created. You will be redirected to the login into the system. So just click on to go to login page right about here. And once you have done that, you will now log in into your Appen account by providing the email address that you actually used signing up and the password that you actually used. So make sure to remember your password and your email address. So next is to click on continue. And once you have done that, it will lead you to this page right here. So this is the Appen profile. So first is the language. So select your primary language. So just select the primary language that you actually feel like having, and your language region. For example, we have Filipino right here, or let's just say English. There's no Filipino available. And let's just say, okay, the United States of America. And next is I'm gonna go to continue. And once you're done with that, you will be leaded into this part right here. This is the welcome message, and as you can see, you can start the tour or you can skip. So I'm just gonna click on start the tour so I can actually let you see what this is going on. So as you can see, how do I start working on a project? So each project has their own unique application process. So generally, you would need to apply and get accepted to projects before you can start working or tasking. So if you have a project that you like, you can actually click on apply right here, and you will go through some requirements, probably some verification if you want to do that. So if you want to click on apply, just click on apply right here, and you will go through some stuff for you to actually be working on a particular project right here. So I'm just going to click on next right here. So how do I get paid for my work? So each project may provide you with different invoicing instructions. Once you're accepted to a project, make sure you read the payment information provided. So as you can see, most payments are sent via Payoneer. So if this applies to your project, please set it up as soon as you start tasking. So mind you, each project differs on what the payment method should actually be. So it actually depends on the client. If your client uses Payoneer, if your client uses Wise, if your client uses PayPal, so it actually depends on what he or she is actually using as a payment method. So make sure to set up any of those if your client requires something like that. So I'm just going to click on next again. So as you can see, select a project based on skill type. So our projects are sorted on a few types according to the project's main activity. So projects can be data collection, transcription, translation, social media, and more. So if you feel like this one right here, if you feel like this is what you actually can do, so for example, this is the project name and this is the project type. So if you're into linguistics, transcription, data collection, you can actually click on apply right here. But mind you, if you don't have any of those skills, just please don't apply, so that you won't have any so that your client won't have any problems with you. So next, I'm just going to click on right here. So get to know about the project. So this is the name of the project right here. So if you feel like if you want to click on that, just actually click on that. So next is navigate through the projects using tabs. So these are the tabs right here. So these are the suggested, and if you applied something, this will be, click on the apply right here. And if you are accepted by a project, this will be the tab right here. And all projects, these are the all projects that you can actually have. And lastly is any questions. So if you have any questions, you're going to go to FAQs page for extend that. So next is to unlock long-term projects. You can actually click on continue to profile to actually verify your profile setup, like your location, your education, your phone number, and you can have those with you. So lastly, I'm going to show you how you can actually apply. So for now, I'm going to apply like this. So I'm just going to click on apply right here, and it will lead me to this page right here. So this is the Google Data Collection Informed Consent. So just read on that real quick if you want to. So just click on I understand and agree. So I'm just going to click on continue. And next is, it will lead you to this page right here. So this is to agree to participate in video verification research. So if you agree to this, just scroll down, just read on this real quick if you want. So I'm just going to click on I understand and agree. So I'm just going to click on continue again. And next is to just scroll down again, and as you can see, you will be needed to fill up all of these forms right here. And if you have done with that, just click on continue, and it will lead you to this page right here. So basically, if you want to start a project, it is a long process. Like, they will need you to have some verifications, you will enter your gender, birthday, etc., etc. So once you are done with this, you can actually go save it right there, and you can now actually start working for Appen, hopefully if you get accepted to a job. So as you can see, that's it for this video, and if you have some questions, some comments, and some suggestions, just feel free to put it down in the comment section below. So again, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find this helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!